where we provide up-to-date news on exotic currencies and the news events that can affect the foreign currency rate against the U.S. dollar. Our currency pairs include the U.S. dollar and one exotic currency, mostly the Iraqi dinar, the Vietnam dong, the Malaysian ringgit, and or the Zimbabwe dollar. This video includes the most exotic currency news and our last segment on trading exotic currency on the Forex market. You can click on the link at the top, top right on the screen to begin the course from the beginning. Short, easy 2-minute segment. In this last segment of Forex for IQD investors and beginners in the Forex market, I want you to know and understand who's setting the pace, who's controlling within the Forex market. When I say who's controlling, I mean who's the big players. It's a $4 trillion a day platform. You need to know who's pulling the strings. Fortunately, I have previously uploaded a video providing details on who the main players in the $4 billion a day financial platform are. The link is in the top, top right. This is information you should know about. This could affect oil prices around the world if continued. Pirates hijacked an Iraqi ship that was stranded outside of Iraq's waters. They do not know where the pirates took the ship. The entire ship is missing. The link to this article is in the description. Now for our current news. The World Bank officials in Washington, D.C. asked Egypt's state consul to provide technical support for the bank's ongoing projects for Iraq's state consul and the Kurdistan Council region to help build the capabilities and enhance work in the Iraqi institutions. This is a very interesting article. The link is in the description. Now moving on to Malaysia, breaking news. For you cryptocurrency investors, here's what Malaysia had to say about Bitcoin. Okay guys, moving on to Vietnam. Now this is some hot investment information. Vietnam startup Bamboo Airways said or has announced that it aims to list its shares on a local stock exchange in the third quarter, that's the third quarter of 2021, and raise its domestic market share to 30% by the end of this year. It is 20%. They hold 20% currently of the market share. They want to increase it. You can use your exotic currency stockpile to invest in Vietnam. It's not always about waiting for the currency to go up in value against the U.S. dollar. The channel will keep you posted on this investment. Now on to Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwe Stock Exchange listed Delta, the giant beverage company, has started building another new factory in Zimbabwe. Upon completion, the new plant will employ hundreds of workers and also benefit downstream industries.